Volcano Bay Garden Walk. All right, Aventura was decent. So we're off to Volcano Bay this morning, folks. And by this morning, I mean, I feel like it's still the same day as yesterday, because it was when we went to bed. It was so late. So late. 39,000 steps last night, 12 houses, 2 snacks, all the scare zones and all the fun. So yeah, Volcano Bay, drifting around a river today to heal. Stay tuned from the volcano. How beautiful that was. Gorgeous. Run them at the reef, folks. Good spot. What is it? My little volcano, baby. Crazy river. Hello. Welcome to Volcano Bay. We have rides, we have slides, we have all kinds of stuff. I feel like I'm in the volcano, because I am. The towers of the tower. Where's that, folks?
Alright, we're here at the volcano. You're not afraid me out.
So good. So this is, I guess, the best of what water park has to offer here in Orlando. Couple rivers, lots of rides. We stayed at Aventura, so we were just like right here overnight. We just had a short walk in where we got like little beach spot over here. This wave pool, you're watching for this bell up here. That's gonna let you know when the waves are coming, when it's calm. Like now, there's no waves. You got people doing the body plunge. You gotta walk all the way up there. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt, spit out. It was absolutely crazy. That's what it was, lots of fun. Loved it. I was so happy about it. And then the sun comes out in Florida. Everyone's happy. Yeah, I love it. It's a great it's a great spot. Really can't recommend it enough. We did a private cabana once. This time it was 900 bucks, so no cabana. They still have lots of fun. We used early park entry. We got here, got a locker in the back. We tattooed the bracelet they give you to book your rides. You can only have one virtual queue. People should be familiar with that by now. And then, just like that, we're here waiting for our ride in the pool doing lazy rivers. With happy kiddos. Hey kiddo! Why is your eyes closed?
What?
Why are your eyes closed?
It's so bright.
That'll do it.
Yep.
Having fun?
Yeah.
This is multitasking, folks. There's no with getting in for float in the pool. Hello. Look at that whale. Volcano Bay. Woo! Hello.
Now look up there. Now it says no boats. Ready? Molly's here, and yeah, she is having fun. Is that it? That was a dud. Everyone here is like, what? So we could have been a little closer, okay? Next one will be closer. Easy peasy. It's okay. Gotcha. Awesome. All right. Taniwa tubes, Daddy and Maddie. I got peed on. Pee. Volcano pee. I'm just joking. It's just water. It's a water park. This one is water. So this is what we're coming down in a boat together, okay?
Can we do it again? Yeah.
Tell the world how good that was. It was fun. Good. Show what it's like to conquer your fears. Can kids do it?
Yeah.
They can, right?
Conquer hers too.
Can I get another yeah? High five for my water sliders. That's a hand dive. Boo! All right, well, tattooed in. It's Aqua Coaster time. Krakatau. Excited. That was good. Crazy river. Having fun, Maddie? Faster river, hey dude. Welcome back. Welcome back to the vlog. Oh, they opened it up now. You don't want to hold on? World classes. Downhill, ready? Here we go. See you later. See you later. How did you catch me on Speedy McGee? Uh-oh. Krakatau. Oh
right, here we are, Kohola Reef Restaurant. In any case, we got some food ordered. This is the seating underneath here. Despite all these fish and things up here, there's birds everywhere. It's an aviary. Anyway, we got some food ordered.
Yeah, so I got the mango pulled pork sandwich. Ryan ordered the burger, and we ordered the chicken and fries for Madeline. And we got ices all each. Ryan and I both got raspberry ones, and we got one watermelon for Madeline.
And mobile order?
Mobile order. So at the time I had some issues. I did have to turn off the app, like I had to swipe it away, reopen it again for the location services to work. So just try that if you have that issue, like if it's telling you it's not in the restaurant, just like swipe it away, close it entirely, and then open it again, and it should work. That's what happened for me.
And you can use your annual pass in the app?
Yep, so I used my annual pass in the app, I scanned it, and I got 20% off, so that was great.
And you do that with the mobile order?
Yes. Yeah, make sure like when you add up the stuff to your cart before you actually check out, there's a little line there in blue asking for a pass holder discount. So make sure that you scan your pass for that. Yeah.
Or else it was 20%, right?
Yeah, so it was 20% off. So I mean that was like significant. It was like $13.
Yep.
So
worth it. Don't forget it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back with food.
Yeah.
All right, we got our food. What a disaster that was. Mobile order actually is just a line. You place your order, then you get in the line, and then they'll serve you when you get there.
Wow.
There's no counters. No, go to 1, 2. It's just one line.
Oh, they don't know what they're
15
doing.
miles long. All right, Heather got the...
I got the pulled pork.
Looks
Looks
good.
really good.
All right. I got the cheeseburger. We've got slushies and ices. We've got happy kiddos. We've got pizzas. We've got beers.
The volcano blossom.
That's the volcano blossom? That's about right. And Maddie got the chicken. All right, let's enjoy. Inside the volcano.
I got you, kid. Here we go. Fun one. Woo! Fun? Whoa! Oh, God. What are we doing?
Great job, fam. Fantastic. Here we go again. Wow. That was a mouthful of water, kid. Yay. Good job.
No.
All right, so you know what Florida's like, folks. This is what it's like. I can't go to a theme park. Now one day, look at me. Look at me. This is a ride. This is Volcano Bay's best ride. It's called Rain. How good. So how's this house? What's this one called? Rainstorm. OMG. That's all I hear people saying after this house.
Yeah.
Now I'm crazy. Oh my God. It's coming down. This is wet even for Florida. I could swim in the road. Baby. The Aventura. Freshly cleaned.
That's going to do it for today's vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and we will see you in the next one.